Hi, I'm Federico from VisionTech. Today I want to talk to you about the Openable Junctions VisionTitan. The VisionTitan are openable junctions that allow a rapid assembly of tooth belts. Tightening is made through a series of fake teeth combined with clamping plates. They can be supplied for T10, AT10, T20, AT20 and H profiles in width of 32, 50, 75, 100, 150mm and higher. Advantages: resistance. Realised with the interlocking technique, they guarantee a high load resistance improved by 25% compared to a Vision W welded junction. Customisation. The VisBlock's mechanical dowels are applicable even in the intermediate areas of the junction. Titan junctions are also suitable for retractable versions, created to maintain the back flatness. They have slots where clamping plates can be inserted of the same height of the back, thus preventing the formation of notches. Fields of application. They are mainly used for the synchronized transportation of products, in the jar filling industry, in metal and wood processing, and in the food and pharmaceutical industry. For more information, you can visit our website visiontech.it. Thank you and see you soon.